to get back. I gotta get back to this world of sewing and doing it consistently because it is my hope. Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Kind of. I don't know what I'm doing. I got so behind. Give me a moment. My mental health has taken kind of a bit of a hit, mainly because of other things, like in my health, my physical health. I've just been struggling so much. I mean, we're talking high blood pressure, sometimes lightheadedness, like things that I'm trying to figure out and sort out right now. I'm taking my health pretty seriously, and because of that, I haven't really been able to keep up with my plans for my YouTube, but I am determined. Yes, I'm putting my health first, but I love making videos. I love being on YouTube. So today's video, we are going to challenge myself. It is literally Wednesday and I need a video for Friday because I give you guys videos on Fridays. Like, hello, it's Friday, it's video day. And nobody wants to be sad that a video wasn't busted out, right? That being said, it's Wednesday, October 4th.
And I was like, you know, what am I gonna do for today? Like, what the heck do I do?
So I throw in a random outfit. I don't even have makeup on, but when do I ever? And I'm like, go to your sewing room, make something. I am in the middle of a project that I won't be able to finish tonight, so it's not an option, but I need something, anything. And I wanted to have fun with it. Here's the fabric that I've had in my mind for a while. This. I think it's cute. It's flowy. You know, I keep thinking about it. I think I thrifted this or it came free. I don't remember. If anyone saw my free fabric haul, maybe this was in it. This reminds me of the same fabric I said reminds me of one of my mom's old dresses, but yeah. I love this kind of fabric. I've always loved it. It's so soft. I've seen a lot of dresses made with it. I'm gonna challenge myself to make something before I go to bed tonight from start to finish. And you're gonna join me on this challenge journey. If you want to stick around and see what the heck I came up with in a matter of minutes, stick around and I'd love to have you guys. But before we get to the video and you're into dressmaking, I would recommend you hit subscribe. I have like a lot of plans. Trust me, a lot of plans. Like, no mental health and physical health is gonna get in my way. Anyway, I'm in a weird mood because I literally just downed some applesauce. Don't ask. I take my applesauce real seriously. Sorry if I'm weird, go with it, it's fine, it's normal. I'm trying to stay hyped for this. Let's stay hyped. Okay, why am I like, is this a cape? Can this be my thumbnail? Let's get started. And while watching, I'm like, I have to get back. I gotta get back to this world of sewing and doing it consistently because it is my hope. I need to do things that aren't just being a mom every day. Like, I'm a mom, but I'm also a fashion designer, and that's how I like it. So my toddler is adorable. If he sees like a video of someone sewing, even if it's not me, he's just like, Mama. It's so cute. He just turned 2. Anyway, what do I make? Let's figure it out. Dug in my closet. We're just gonna like try to use a dress that I already have just to kind of help me get a shape and figure it out. Okay, scratch that. Scratch all of that. Whatever the heck was going on. I went on Etsy and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just like do someone's pattern. Like, let's have fun with this. It teaches me how to sew. It gives me new ideas, and I haven't really sewn someone else's pattern in a while. Wow, my hair's cray cray. We will continue doing my designs, but today's video I decided we're gonna have fun. I'm gonna alter this one. This is by Indie Patterns. I got this off of Etsy. I'll link them down below in case you like this pattern after all. I got the instructions printed. Instead of a short sleeve, we're gonna do long sleeve. Fingers crossed I have enough fabric. I think this would be so cute. Making it long sleeve is more fun for fall, and I can put tights on if I wanted to keep my legs warm if it's cold. Let's get started. Let's do it. First things first, I have to cut stuff. There's that. you guessed it, I'm obviously on another day. But it's fine. It's the very next day. Tonight is the night that I edit this video to give you guys this video so you could be watching it on this lovely Friday. It's probably Friday or a day after. We're gonna get back to the dress. So after all that sewing, I have to confess, I screwed up on this elastic side. This side went fine, but it had like raw edges. I was like, oh, maybe I could do it a different way. Yeah, no. And also, you know what I realized? It's a thin elastic. I didn't think about that. Probably would have been easier with the thicker one. So I had hardly anything to work with. I'm stretching this elastic. I'm sewing it on. It is what it is. I had to put a second elastic on, and anyway, the whole thing was a disaster, and I don't even know why I did it, but whatever. So we're just gonna ignore that side and pretend it didn't happen. But this is what it's looking like so far. This fabric is nice dress fabric, but could potentially be something you might want, like really thin lining, but I'm just not gonna do lining, so it's whatever. And this is the skirt, so we're gonna attach the skirt. I say we, but it's just me, but you're with me in the video, so I guess it's we in a sense. My son is sleeping and I need to get this done during his nap. Let's go. We got it attached. So the last two steps, well, 3 steps I guess, is sewing the back and putting a zipper and hemming. Let's do it. Now the question is, do I have, oh, I do. Wait, this looks long enough. This looks actually too long. Oh yeah, this is way too long. You know what, this one we're gonna have to do. Honestly, it's fine. I did this on a whim, what can I expect? So we're just gonna use this one. It's a zipper, that's all that matters in the end. This is where you can tell it's like a little too flimsy of fabric to be, what's happening? I wish that I finished it with black serger thread, but I was trying so hard to go fast last night and then I didn't even finish, so whatever. So if you guys have enjoyed the video so far, don't forget to hit like if you haven't already. Subscribe because I love dresses. If you love dresses, then there's gonna be a lot of dresses on this channel. Lots of fun photo shoots planned. Ideas. I have like inspirational designs I've been planning on. Maybe possibly a Halloween one. Stick around. You never know what's gonna happen on this channel. It's just always gonna be around fashion, dresses, and my obsession with thrifting. I don't know where I was going with that, but that being said, do the thing. I'm lining up the seams and then sew it together. Now that I put the zipper on somewhere, oh my gosh, somewhere in here it is. Oh, I forgot about one more step. I actually have to put elastic on the sleeves. They're not elastic right now. Forgot about that. Clip that off. Yeah, these raw edges. I might have done it wrong. Oh well. We got the zipper in. We just have to now seam rip the, seam that's holding it together. I did a loose seam, kind of like basting. And just go up to the point where the zipper stops. There we go. And tack stitch along the bottom there so that the zipper doesn't go too far. And then we will roll hem and do the sleeves. Okay, so for the sleeves, it asks you to do, I believe, elastic thread in the directions. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do that. I technically have black elastic thread, but I don't have it threaded on one of these bobbins and I don't know where it went. So we're just gonna use white. It's fine. This is just a dress for me. The bobbin thread needs to be on the bottom underneath. So I'm gonna do like just like a little bit of ruffle, maybe a little bit more. I'm gonna do like a 2-inch ruffle. You could tell it's white, but I ended up doing 2 little strips close to each other. Is it perfect? No, but is it cute? Yes. Cute, actually. I like that. I like that little look of just like the double lines. So we're gonna go ahead and do that on the other side. And I'm lining it up with the edge of this metal plate. That's how I'm measuring it, is what it is. Okay, I'm about to try it on, but before doing that I realized since this is this inside, this fabric's kind of thin and kind of flimsy, I'm gonna go ahead and put knit stay tape to make sure it doesn't, yeah, I don't know, just I'm gonna see if it just helps a little bit. It doesn't hurt. So we're gonna do that and then we'll try it on. Okay guys, and here's the grand reveal. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna just end my video here outside with my toddler. I ran out of time to do the video before he woke from his nap. It's fine, it's finished. Yeah, do you like my dress? Yeah, that is the slutty, huh? But anyway, I'm waiting for my husband to get home. I'll show him my dress, and that's it. That's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I think it was kind of fun. You know, I learned some slightly new techniques, and I feel like whenever you just practice, you know, hold on baby, let mama talk. Oh, thank you. Just want to give me a leave. I think with other patterns we can really learn like other techniques and stuff. I feel like it helped me get a new idea and a new way of putting together a dress that's more simple as opposed to the formal that I always do. I really enjoyed it. If there's a pattern you want me to have fun with, feel free to share. I will also link the original pattern maker and where I got it off of at Etsy if you want to make a dress like this. I made it long sleeve. I kind of did my own skirt. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe and I'll catch you guys on the next one. He's giving me like a ton of leaves and
Hello.
Thank you. Sorry I dropped it. Thank you. We'll get more. Thank you. Oh, can that be in the bloopers? Is this the bloopers? Okay, we're gonna put this in the bloopers. It's just like, oh, well, so now it works. Now it works.